Hey y'all, so today we're going to be making a new product for Sha'Naya's Beauty Bar, and as y'all can tell from the title, we're going to be making lip gloss kits, and these are the little baggies I'm going to be using. These are 5.8 ounces, I think, and this is how they look. So we're just going to be filling these up today, and then I'm also literally about to be out of stock of clear gloss Simplicity, so I'm gonna make some more clear glosses. I think I have one left, so we're gonna do that after we do this. So I decided that I'm gonna just make 4 for right now because obviously, you know, this is a new product. I don't know how it's gonna do. I'm hoping that it does good, and then I'll make way more next time. But we're just gonna start off with 4 and see if people are interested in them. And yeah, this is gonna be the mini boss kit. I do plan on having a bigger one, and it will have way more stuff in it. But this is gonna be, the smaller one is gonna be very affordable. So yeah, I have my gloss base right here. We're getting down to the bottom. I do have some more gloss I ordered from another company, but I ordered some gloss from a company that I found on Instagram. So this is the same gloss that you get from TKB, but it's just by a different person. Like, they have the same vendor, basically. So this is 2 pounds. So basically 4 pounds. So yeah, and she's very, very affordable. If I run out of this one, then I have those. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm just gonna make clear bags for right now. And then, like I said, once I see how they're doing, then I'll, you know, I'll do more. I did purchase a new oil. This is grapeseed oil. This one is vegan, non-GMO. I'm waiting on my castor oil to get here. I'm going to finish up using the vitamin E oil, and then I'll probably be done with that until I have a different brand. Y'all, I don't know, I just don't feel like spending money on stuff that I could do myself. It may not look the best, but it look okay. So I changed my logo. Go on my Instagram page and you'll see. It's real simple. I didn't want it to be, you know, too much. I like simplicity. So it's real simple. And then I did my highlight covers over, and those are okay. And I did make me a price list because I'm about to start doing wand tube glosses wholesale. So I did make a price list for that, and it'll be posted once the tubes get here. So y'all will see, y'all be able to see that price list. I did that myself. And I'm tired of my business cards that I have right now. I don't know, they're cheesy. They look so cheesy now. I've been in business since 2018 and it's now 2020. And plus, like, my colors and everything changed. So I need my business cards to match my colors. See, I'm gonna just use this this small container to mix the oils and the gloss in. So I guess you could say I'm kinda rebranding, kinda-ish. I just want everything to be pink and white. And I am going to talk about everything that will come in this kit. I just can't remember off the top of my head. I did write it down, so hold on, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I got my scale right here so I can see how much it is. Excuse my laptop, I'm watching Ozark. I'm trying to get into this. Put it down right here.
You guys doing some work on the place? That's a word.
So, as y'all can see, 0.5. So I'm gonna try to fill it up a little bit more. Maybe we can try to get to 6. I don't know if it can hold 6, but we're at 5.5 right now. You'll get a syringe, three pipettes, a random flavoring oil, and this is the size it'll be. A little bit goes a long way. Of course, you'll get the gloss, and this is 6-ounce gloss. And I made sure I weigh all of them, and they all are 6, about either 6, 6.6. So it's way over 6. And then you'll get a jar like this, and it'll be filled with glitter. You'll get to pick which glitter you want. So you can either get one glitter or you can get all of them. It'll be one of the options on the site. And these gloss bags should fill about 10 to 15 tubes, and you'll also get 10 squeeze tubes. So just when I was going on the website to order some glitters, because I get my glitters, I still get that from TKB. I was just going up there the other day, and the freaking site was back closed. Because I had checked like a couple days before then. I was like, I'm gonna come back and get some glitters. And right when I went up there, it was closed again. I was like, dang, I should have bought them when I went up there the first time. But it did say, I think I read that it's supposed to be opening back up on the 29th, so I'm definitely order my glitters, and I'm gonna order like a big amount so that I won't run out anytime soon. These lasted a long time though. These lasted a really long time. But now since I'm, doing wholesale and stuff and doing these kits, I'm gonna definitely need a way bigger thing of glitters. It's definitely great for people that are interested in starting a business, and just want to starting a lip gloss business and just want to try it out to see if they really it's something that they really want to do. This is perfect. So right here is Sunkissed. Now this one, out of all of my glosses, I love all of my glosses. This one is my favorite though. I love this one. This one and Simplicity. So yeah, this one is Sunkissed.
Everything all right?
So these are the pigments. I am gonna add a little bit more, but I just wanted to show y'all. So this one is Boss Bit.
Thank you.
And this one is for keeps.
Not sure if you're aware, but previous owner and I, we have business arrangement.
This one is Gold Digger. Gold, not gold. Gold.
The folk is live to us, local tradition.
This one is Obsessed.
Unfortunately, I don't think that my employer would allow it.
And this one is
We haven't
Sunkissed.
heard the terms yet.
So these will be the pigments that come with the kit. On to the next part of the video, I am going to be filling up a couple squeeze tubes because, like I said, I have one more of Simplicity left. I am super excited about selling these lip gloss kits. I really hope that people are interested in them. So yeah, we are getting really close to 6K now. I appreciate all of you watching my videos. I see that my entrepreneur videos are really popular on my page, so I'm trying to keep them coming. So yeah, thank you guys for supporting me and watching my videos. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye. All right, y'all, so I just received the labels today and I am in love. Like, when I tell y'all should see my face, I'm smiling extremely hard right now because they look so pretty. So this is how my logo looks. It's not, anything extravagant. I like simplicity, like this gloss is simplicity, but I like for everything to be simple and, not to be doing too much. So this looks so cute. So it's pink and white, obviously. So this will be the mini boss kit. So you'll get a 6-ounce bag of gloss base with my cute little label on it. You'll get 10 squeeze tubes, a syringe, 3 pipettes. You can either choose all 4 of these pigments, or you can choose one. If you get one, it'll be cheaper. If you get 4, then it'll be a little higher, and then you'll get a random flavoring oil. And this will be the little kit. And then, like I said, I'll be coming out with another one at a later date, and I'll most likely do a video on it, of course, so y'all can see. But yeah, this is it, and they'll come in this white box with the pink paper. Y'all, this is so cute. I got my labels from Avery.com. Very affordable. So yeah, make sure if y'all are like looking for a place to get y'all labels, make sure y'all go and shop with them for labels.